Hello, I am Terry Hartley, and I'm so excited to let you know that the online crafting trio, which I am a part of, we are ready to have our next online global retreat in July. We are going to have our retreat July 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th. We will have some of our demonstrations in the morning, some in the evening, so hopefully that will work for all of you, or at least some of you. And what is really great about our online retreat is that you will be able to rewatch all of the videos. So if you're not able to make it live, you can still watch the videos. And of course, if you watch live with us, you still have access to all of the videos to watch over and over. And I am the demonstrator of the online trio in the United States, and Connie Douglas is the demonstrator in Canada, and Sarah Fisher is the demonstrator in Australia, and we are the online crafting trio. Plus, this trio, we have a bonus presenter from the UK. Registration is open now, so in this link, no matter if you live in any of those countries, you can still sign up, and we will make sure the correct demonstrator from your country receives your registration. And of course, it is a different cost, and more of that information is on my webpage at rusticbarncards.com. But in the United States, the cost is $65. So what do you get for $65? Well, you receive a retreat in a box mailed to your house. And you will have a goodie bag over $30 of product. You will have make and takes. You have 8 make and takes. You will have PDFs for all of the pillow gifts and the make and takes. Plus, there will be over 30 additional projects and ideas that we're going to share during those 4 days of our online global retreat. So our platform is going to be a private Facebook group. So once you're registered, you will be invited to the private Facebook group, and that is where we will have all of the fun crafting happening. You'll be able to meet people from different countries, so it's kind of like a community. So you'll be able to be on the Facebook group and meet people from Australia, United Kingdom, Canada, and here in the United States. So I love the crafting community, and this is a perfect way to meet some new friends. And did I mention prizes? Oh yes, we will also have prizes. And again, you'll have tutorials, you'll have live demonstrations. The retreat in a box will have your make and takes, your pillow gifts, and everything you need to have a fun time at the online global retreat, July 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th. Now, do you need a certain stamp set? That is a question that is asked. And no, you do not. You can actually make all of these projects with what you have already in your craft room. But if you would like to make your cards like ours, our main stamp set that we're going to use is the Season of Chic, and we're going to be using that stamp set and bundle. And if you would like to add that on, you certainly may, and there is a link in the form on my webpage that you can do that. Maybe you already own it, and that's great too. We will also be sharing some projects using some different stamp sets, because we want to show you how you can use stamp sets and make cards, and you can use any stamp set that you have. On my webpage, I will put those other stamp sets that we're going to use in case you would like to purchase those. And if you do not have a demonstrator, of course, reach out to me and you may place your order with me. Again, we're going to have a fun time July 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th. We will have 2 live demonstrations per day. And once you're registered, you will receive the schedule. And again, I hope by having it spreading the fun and the crafting over 4 days, we are hoping that we can reach more of you and that you'll be able to craft with us. And for those of you that have joined our online global retreat before, please leave a comment. Let us know how much you enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. There'll be the contact in the link below. And I hope to see you at the online global retreat, July 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th. And again, for more information and the link to sign up is in the description.